Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Vulcan S. This is the SE edition, special edition two-tone paint scheme, black and red metallic. It's got the touring windscreen, engine guards, saddlebags, rear rack. Bike is in beautiful condition. It's only got 10,000 miles. Come on by, make your twin cylinder cruiser dreams come true for just $64.99. Oh yeah, it's got the floorboards. This bike has a lot of nice touring upgrades. Come on by, check it out. ABS brakes, fuel injected, 6-speed transmission. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.